Most people think investing in UK property means having hundreds of thousands sitting in the bank. It doesn't. Here's exactly how the payment plan for Penny Place, our latest off-plan launch in Wolverhampton, works. Step 1. Reservation. Pay £5,000 to take your apartment off the market. Step 2. Exchange. Within 28 days, you exchange contracts. You pay a deposit of 5% minus the reservation fee that you've already paid. Step 3. Staged payments. The next 25% is split into monthly payments over 24 months. That's roughly starting at £1,700 a month, interest-free. Step 4. Completion. By Q1 2028, you've paid 30% of the property value. The remaining 70% is paid at completion through a mortgage or cash. Now, let's put that into an example. Take a £164,950 apartment at Penny Place. You pay £5,000 to reserve. Your 5% deposit is £3,247 after deducting the reservation fee you've already paid. Then, you pay £1,718 a month for 24 months, covering 25%. That's £41,237. By completion, in Q1 2028, you've paid 30% of the property value, £49,485 in total. The remaining 70% is paid in completion, through either a mortgage or cash. On a flexible payment plan like this, don't forget that you're also building equity in a city backed by £4.4 billion worth in regeneration. This is for less than most people's monthly rent. That's what smart investing looks like. Get in touch to secure your unit.